A common question I get asked as an esthetician is what can be done for eye bags? Eye bags can be a tricky thing to treat, and it's something that very often we're really conscious about. It can make us look a little tired, maybe a little upset. So today I'm going to teach you some simple things that you can do at home very easily that are super effective. If you're ready, let's get started. First of all, eye bags can be hereditary, and that is something that many of us, when we look at old photographs of family relatives, will realise. Eye bags tend to be one of two things. They're either fluid related or they're fat related. We have little fat pads under our eyes, and sometimes as we get older, the actual membranes and the ligaments that support the under eye, they start to thin and the actual fat starts to bulge forward, giving rise to inflammation or fat pads or under eye puffiness. So number one, age is a factor when it comes to under eye bags and puffiness. Another factor can be genetics. So age is one, genetics is another. So if you have ever noticed any of your relatives that have eye bags, and perhaps you've seen photographs of older relatives and they have puffy under eyes or eye bags, chances are it's genetic, and often that is related to the fat pad, but also can be related to lymphatic drainage issues. Which leads me on to the next reason that we can get eye bags, and that's fluid retention. Fluid retention actually happens often when we're dehydrated. This area of the eye actually retains water. It's very hard for things to drain here. That's why some people that have had dermal fillers in this area often get puffiness. And that's because the lymphatic area and the area around this is super fragile and is prone to swelling and inflammation because of poor drainage. Salty food is a big culprit when it comes to puffiness and under eye bags. So your first step is to perhaps look at your diet. Are you eating too much salt? Have you got hidden salts in your diet? Are you drinking enough water? It seems counterintuitive. Fluid retention is the reason for puffiness, but it is dehydration that's causing the fluid retention. Drink more water. Your lymphatic system will thank you for it. Drainage will not happen unless you're well hydrated. And do check the salt content in your diet. It's amazing how much more salt we're eating and we may not be aware of it. Another factor, of course, is alcohol. Toxins in the body finds it hard to distribute the toxins, and therefore it's prone to storing it in areas where there is fat. And that can be, of course, your midriff, but it also happens around the eye area. If you've had a heavy night, if you've had too much alcohol, maybe too many nights out, even spicy food can cause bagginess and puffiness under the eyes. Another factor, of course, is lack of sleep. Lack of sleep will show on your face, particularly the under eyes, giving way to darkness, but also bags and puffiness under the eyes. So getting good sleep is so important, but I also know how hard it is as we get older. Try and get at least 7 to 8 hours sleep. Switch off your devices before you go to bed. Read a book instead of staring at a screen. I've got an incredible hack to turn off the blue light that emits from your phone at nighttime so that your body can adjust to get a decent night's sleep. I'm going to share that with you in another video. But good sleep is going to help prevent eye bags and puffiness. Allergies, of course, are another reason that we can get puffiness under the eyes, and that's due to histamine. And when histamine is around and our eyes are itchy, as soon as we start to itch, as nice as it feels initially, it's actually going to cause swelling. And remember I mentioned salt? Well, the salt within your tears. As you start to itch and as perhaps you're sneezing, causes a buildup of fluid retention under the eyes. And finally, of course, there are some medical conditions that do give rise to eye bags and eye puffiness. So what can we do about it and how can we treat eye bags at home? Well, the number one thing I want to talk about is at-home treatments. Now, there are some exceptional in-clinic treatments. I actually use some in my Medi-Spa. But if you wanted my honest truth about getting rid of eye bags at home, I've got a 2-ingredient home hack that you are going to love. It's an easy to prepare recipe, anybody can do it, and it works every single time. So the first ingredient in my home hack for getting rid of eye bags is coffee, in particular coffee grounds, caffeine. Caffeine actually increases blood flow, which in turn really helps drain areas such as the under eyes. When we increase blood flow, we're actually also activating our lymphatic drainage. So when we actually get those blood cells going and pumping, we're actually going to help with all of the stagnant fluid that's built up under the eyes. Caffeine is sensational at this. It opens capillaries, it gets things moving. It's perfect as an under eye mask. But we need a second ingredient. Now we're going to use egg white. Egg white is sensational at tightening the skin. Now it sounds a little bit icky, perhaps you're not ready to do an egg white and caffeine under eye mask, but I promise you this, if you have a go, it's going to work for you. All you're going to need is 2 teaspoons of coffee grounds. Now they can be used or fresh. And if you have the little pods, I highly recommend you just break those open, pop them in a bowl and let them dry a little bit. Coffee grounds in a tiny bowl, and then you just want 1 egg white. Now, egg white is an astringent, but it also contains vitamin K. Vitamin K is sensational at helping cellular activation, and it's perfect for the under eyes. Whisk it all together to create a froth and then pat it on under the eyes. You want to leave it for at least 10 minutes and then wash it gently away. Make sure you don't get it into your eyes. It's not going to hurt you, but of course it's going to feel gritty and it's not particularly very nice in the eyes. Once that's all washed away, you really need a good moisturizer. Now you can reach for any under eye moisturizer that you love. You can even reach for fractionated coconut oil, one of my favorites. Coconut oil is anti-inflammatory. It's perfect for the under eye. It helps reduce puffiness because of its anti-inflammatory properties. Let that soak in. Give it another 20 minutes and then you can apply your makeup. This is a sensational home hack that is going to reduce your under eye bags and puffiness. You are going to love it. These 2 ingredients should be in your cabinet. If not, of course, don't spend a fortune. Just get a small pack of coffee grounds. Make sure that you use them as soon as you've brewed your coffee. It's a great way to reduce eye bags. I find it sensational. My clients find it sensational. In-clinic treatments require injectables, lasers, or you can have surgery. Personally, I love this home hack. It takes 10 minutes to do. It works every single time. Have a go. So let me know in the comments, have you heard about this incredible eye bag hack? Get rid of eye bags with just 2 ingredients. I would love to hear from you if you've tried it, if it worked. Have you got any other recipes that you look at? I would love to hear from you. I answer all of your comments. I'm going to pin the recipe in the first comment, and I'm also going to add my favorite coconut oil that is so good for the under eyes, completely natural, completely safe, anti-inflammatory, perfect for the skin, perfect for any age, and of course very safe. I hope you enjoyed this video. I've chosen this one for you to watch next. Until the next time, bye for now.